Hey physics! So we're going to start off this week, if you're in 4th or 6th hour, by doing the Investigation 5 Activity 3 Nearpod, which is about charge transfer. So then we're going to do a big simulation about that this afternoon, go through a bunch of questions about the sweater and balloon charge transfer simulation. And that is something you saw in Investigation 1, but now you have a much better understanding of what's going on there. So we're going to flex your knowledge in that way. So then tomorrow and Wednesday, we're going to be working with some other oldies but goodies, the Van de Graaff machine. We're going to get into how that works now that you know more about charges and subatomic particles and all that good stuff. And we're going to talk about Franklin bells and how those work. Where are the electrons going? How does this stuff, what is actually happening when charges transfer? You're going to do that on your own in the morning, and then we're going to come together and look at it as a whole class in the afternoon. So make sure you get it done so that you can compare with your small group mates, okay? So then on Thursday and Friday, we're going to do some practice questions. You're going to have a chance to look through the assignments that we've done to make sure you've got everything in. There's only one Google form for this investigation, but there's a lot of slideshows. So make sure that you check those out, get those in. We will do this practice questions in small groups so you can check your answers, but you do want to make sure that you have your stuff in there so that you're not falling behind, okay? So then Monday, we are going to have an Investigation 5 test, and then that's like Monday of the last week before Christmas break. Then we're going to play around with a gizmo called the Charge Launcher. Then we'll have a chance for test corrections and makeup work that last day before Christmas break. So there we go. That's the plan. See you guys soon.